What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, family. If you made some money today, let me know down below. And if you're ready to make some money tomorrow, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, get this video to 1,000 likes, and also tap my post notification so you're notified every time I post. If you guys want up to 30 free stocks, click the link down below for the Moo link, and also join the Discord. Okay, tap into the Discord, guys. Right now we got a ton to talk about, as well as I got some stocks for you guys to watch out for tomorrow, as well as potential plays. So if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. Okay, kicking it off, we got the SPY here, ticker symbol SPY. You guys know, okay, there was FOMC meeting today. This is the catalyst everyone was waiting for before taking any positions. Okay, so if you guys listened to yesterday's video, hopefully that video helped you out, because I pinpoint, okay, where the FOMC meeting usually goes. Okay, we're gonna follow through with that. So take a look at this, guys. SPY's up 1% today. Very great signs, up 0.31% overnight. Always a great sign to see. Love to see the reversals from the bottom. We got 6.52% down for the past month. Let's see if we can reclaim the 600s, but we got to go slowly but surely. Okay, so make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'm gonna give you guys the levels, what I'm watching, and potential plays for tomorrow. Okay, so take a look at this. We on the early scale, okay, we had an early bull trap. Okay, hopefully guys mark your supports for the market. Okay, you got this pre-market low, right? We tapped that, and then we made a new higher high, okay, which was 565. Yet this is a level we still have to be cautious of. Okay, when you got the whole market going downwards, right, shorting every pop, you need to make sure you manage your risk as we go on our way up. Okay, let's say you were to take profits right here. That's totally okay, because once again, you got FOMC lined up, right? You got FOMC lined up. You got every pop being shorted. So those two right there, okay, should be a clear example, okay, why you need to be taking profits, okay? Even if things may not be looking clear, all right? Take profits. Better to let a trade end in the green than end up in red. Okay, that's what I preach here on this channel. Otherwise, let's get into the FOMC meeting. Okay, so take a look at this. We ran up all the way to 565 at 9 a.m. Okay, roughly $1 more than this previous high. Okay, then what you do, okay, you get this sideways chop. Okay, we mentioned this previously in the last video. You get this sideways chop, FOMC meeting starts, you get this huge volatility occurring due to whatever said in the meeting, right? Whether it's rate cuts up or rate cuts down, you guys need to pay attention to the movements and the options very closely. Okay, the calls and puts in this minute, okay, we're talking about seconds right here. Okay, we're not even talking about minutes, we're talking about seconds. In these seconds, the calls and puts ran up 20% each. Okay, at least 20%. So I'm gonna need you guys to watch out for the spike up, right? Then you get the sell-off. Okay, that's the time to enter in. Okay, let me know if that made sense from the previous video, because that's what I was talking about nearly half the video. Okay, just based on previous experiences with FOMC meetings, right? This is the typical outcome. Okay, so take a look at this, right? You get this sideways chop, right? Initial peak, right there at 565. Okay, then you get a little bit of a dump, okay, from all that profit taking, but it's a slight one. That's where it goes ahead and reverses. Okay, take a look at this from 564. Okay, that's where it dumped, by the way. So I'm just making that clear with you guys. 564.60. Take a look at where we went. Okay, all the way up to 570.38. So if you guys made some money from that plan from yesterday, okay, let me know down below. Major salute to you guys who made some money. Otherwise, we got so much alerts going on. Okay, so let me know if you guys made money from that. Let's go ahead and get it to market. Okay, so guys, take a look at ticker symbol HIMS. You guys in the Discord, okay, saw that alerted ticker symbol HIMS yesterday. Hims and Hers Health, phenomenal day for this company, guys. Take a look at this, up 8% on the day. And take a look at this, at the peak of the day, it was up 10.72%. Okay, 10.72% on your money. Yes, we do have a little bit of a red market going on, but in these times that may be unpredictable, right? Hard to navigate. You got a lot of catalysts that try to push everything down, okay? You got bearish market sentiment, extreme fears at all-time highs. I'm here to help you guys, okay? That means, okay, possibly sizing down. That's one, okay? Taking less trades, but when we get our position, okay, we mark up the charts. We know where our stop loss is going, all right? So we read every news catalyst behind the play, okay? And we also take a look at the charts. So I told you guys, HIMS, we were looking at the support at $31, okay? So it bounced off $31 just like that, guys, just like magic right there. And boom, it hit a high of 10% today. So if you guys, let's say you put $10,000, right? That is $1,000 just in a few hours. That's the power that the stock market holds, okay? It rewards the patient, okay? The impatient gets swiped away. They don't like the stock market no more. They think it's not for them, right? They don't have the experience and discipline needed to hold long term, whether it's, you know, the Google, Tesla, Nvidia, Apple, or they get too caught up in the short term, right? They don't plan their trades. They don't execute well. They don't have a plan to get in, get out. Those are the people that often stray away from the market, okay? They think it's too hard. They complain when times get difficult, right? They don't have a proper plan and risk management strategy. So I'm here to show you guys what's possible, okay? So ticker symbol HIMS, beautiful day. Let's see if we can get this one up back to the highs of $35, okay? Especially when you get the market going back up. And guys, like I said, okay, we looked at this double bottom right here, okay? That's what we got. So beautiful day for HIMS. Like I said, let me know down below if you made some money on HIMS. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol NVDA. Now this one is starting to pick back up, so we're going to be watching the video closely, all right? We got this major dump coming in. Okay, people sold, they took profit, guys. Whenever you see a company dump like this, okay, these are not people like us, okay? These are people that have the big money, the big institutions. They are taking profit. But why is that the case? Why, right? Why do they take profit at 120 per se? Okay, when everyone was selling right here at 106, okay, they were buying up. That is why the stock price has held at 106. So I'm gonna need you guys to identify these patterns. Hopefully you drop a like on this video for the value and knowledge I'm giving you guys out, okay? But Nvidia set towards 120, okay? So watch out, guys. They love doing this. Take a look at this. They're doing what's called the 15-minute trap right now. So they're trying to sell off everything in 15 minutes, and then they use the pre-market support, okay, on its way back up. So I need you guys to mark out your levels, okay? I'm gonna mark them out in the Discord too. So guys, make sure you tap into the Discord. Next up, we got ticker symbol HOOD. Now I told everyone to get in on this one at 36.37, okay? Let's take a look at this, guys. Let's say you got in at 36.66, okay? Take a look at this, okay? Averaging down 2. I'm not gonna not include the fact that we averaged down 2, okay? Our initial buy was 37. We got in a second time at 36, right? And let's say you want to take this play on your own, right? You dollar cost average, because once again, this is different from the penny stock market, okay? This is where you dollar cost average. You typically do sometimes dollar cost average in penny stocks, but you play with what you have, okay? So take a look at this, all right? From 36.74, okay? We need to have to go to 36.66. From right there to right there, that is a whole 20% move on your money, okay? So let me know if you made some money on Hood. Let me know if you made some money on HIMS, guys. This is what I'm preaching, okay? The stock market is the greatest vehicle of wealth creation to the patient, okay? It's not for the people who want to get rich quick, okay? This is for people who want to learn and, okay, they don't get greedy. That's the most important part. So if you made some money on these companies, guys, make sure you are locking in some profit unless you're here for the long term, okay? So if you got in for the long term, you got some great buying spots, okay? If the market does go down more, then you dollar cost average, but it's been stuck here for quite a while, okay? 1 to 2 weeks. let's see it go back up. Okay, so I want all these companies going back up, guys. That's gonna be really healthy for the market. And next up, we got ticker symbol pltr, Palantir Technology, sitting up at 86.80, up 2.5% today, up nearly 1% overnight. Let's say you wanted to make some money on Palantir. Okay, what are you going to look for? Well, you're gonna wait the first 15 minutes out. Okay, that's gonna be important, guys. When it comes to the first 15 minutes, it is often very volatile. So the more experienced traders will sit out. They won't get caught in the sandstorm. Okay, they're here to wait, be patient, mark their levels, and once it breaks, okay, towards the upside or the downside, they go ahead and take their position. Okay, once you got all these catalysts moved away, we can certainly move towards a clearer direction. So for tomorrow, okay, once again, I'm gonna mark the levels out. Okay, so we're gonna be marking pre-market levels, right? Pre-market highs, pre-market lows, previous day highs, previous day lows. Okay, make sure you're marking down your levels so that when you take a position, okay, you know your charts, you know your levels. You also know where to stop out at in case it goes the other way. Okay, that's called risk management. You need to keep a strong risk management in this market, especially with all these moves. Okay, so make sure you guys are playing as much defense with the offense. Okay, but make sure you play offense when these stocks are low. That's when you go ahead and buy them, because on the way up, all right, people are going to complain that they don't have good entries while we're buying the lows. Okay, so that's the most important. So guys, wait the first 15 minutes. Okay, let's say you wait 15 minutes, right? You played the upside for just a quick 10%. Those 10% are going to add up, especially when you get a cash account. This will allow you to day trade. Okay, it's going to allow you to day trade more than 3 times a week, depending on your balance. Okay, so that if you guys are struggling with the PDT rule, right, you can look into a cash account. I know a lot of you guys have margin accounts. Cash accounts are the second option. Okay, so look into that if you haven't already. But you take that 10%, right? Then you wait it out again, right? You could wait out for the 1 hour sell off in case it sells off in the next hour. Then you see, oh, is it reversing? Did it print a hammer candle, right? Hammer candle is another candle you guys need to be studying. Okay, so you know what to look for when the market is in session. Okay, so watch out for hammer candles. And in this case, guys, we could take this support, okay, over here, and we bounced off of that. All right, so we got all the way up to, take a look at this, 87.55 off that meeting. So guys, make sure you are marking your levels in every session. Okay, and if not, stick to dollar cost averaging, right? You could either dollar cost average or add in on support zones, right? Make that money over time. Okay, some of you guys are too busy to look at the charts, right? That's totally fine. What you can do is set limit orders. That way, when the stock falls to a price that you place the limit order at, you can buy up without having to look at the markets all day. I know this might be very time consuming for many. So what you can do is set a limit order. Okay, mark that down, write that down, limit order. Okay, that's going to be very important. But take a look at this. Palantir Technologies up 9% in the past week, as always down 9% in the past month. So guys, last week, okay, get in the dip on Monday, right? We had a dip yesterday. All right, if you got in the dip yesterday, you got rewarded as well. So make sure you guys are always watching for discounts. Okay, next up, we got ticker symbol AMD up 10% in the past week. Now with Nvidia moving up, this is starting to move up as well. Okay, I want to watch for this break of 108 tomorrow for AMD, so pay close attention to that. Next up, we got ticker symbol TSLA. Now this one is recovering off its lows. It recently hit 223 March 18th, so just yesterday hit 223. Watch out for that, because this is where it exactly bounced at, okay, on March 10th. So I need you guys once again to mark your levels. So do watch for Tesla. Okay, if it does reject, okay, if it does reject the 245s, watch out for that. Okay, that's going to be a huge resistance. Otherwise, right, you know 223 is where Tesla bounces. So if you want to sit out, wait for confirmation, you do you. Okay, if that's what you want to do, you do that. Okay, so watch out for Tesla, guys. And then we got ticker symbol GOOGL. This one is up to 165 right now. Obviously in this one for long term. Beautiful up move today. Recently dipped yesterday. That's when, okay, it was the time to buy, when these stocks are on discounts. Okay, and this one's down 9% the past month. However, okay, dollar cost averaging is going to win over time in the long run. So watch out for that, guys. Ticker symbol AMZN, also another ripper, up 196. Love to see that. So guys, you're going to notice all these stocks, Tempest AI rallying off the lows of $45. You got $43 too. Absolutely beautiful. All these stocks are rallying with the market. Okay, the time to buy the dip, it's shown plenty of times in the past 1 to 2 weeks if you guys looked hard enough. Okay, so make sure you guys are watching for those dips. Mark your levels, trade with the chart, not your heart. Okay, I'm watching for all these stocks to make a continued move, as well as getting to new penny stocks. So if you guys are ready to make some money tomorrow, tap into the Discord, join the Discord. Okay, this is where we're gonna get busy. Click the link in the description to get up to 30 free stocks with the Moomoo link. Okay, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, get my YouTube channel 15,000 subscribers by the end of the week. The support has been insane, so thank you guys so much for the support. You guys have been amazing, and I'm gonna make a video on XRP because they had recent huge news, as well as we got the whole crypto rallying, so things are starting to look good. This is why, you know, it's great to be patient, right? Because then you're gonna get some opportunity. If you jump into too much, you're gonna get burnt out. That's, you know, that you don't want that happening, because we're here to make money, guys. We're not here to gamble. We're not here short term. We're here for the market, okay? Because the market is gonna be here for a long time, right? If you get burnt out, you stray away, you're gonna miss all the opportunity that's gonna be coming. And it's better, right, to earn money slower over a period of time than trying to rush in for that quick money. Okay, so make sure you guys trade with the setup, trade the plan. Do not trade emotionally. Okay, if you are away, trade with a limit order. Okay, for those limit buys, buy stocks you love long term on dips. That is going to be essential. Okay, so write all those down. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Remember, most people see the end result, very few could consider journey. Guys, we do videos just like this every day, so if you want to check another one, click right here. See you guys tomorrow. Coach believes in each and every one of you. Peace.